I is for albatross, soaring high. B is for blue jay, flying by. C is for crow, calling loud. D is for duck, quacking proud. E is for eagle, majestic and grand. F is for finch, perched on a branch. G is for goose, honking strong as drum. H is for hummingbird with a sweet song. I is for ibis, waiting in the reeds. J is for jaybird, planting seeds. K is for kingfisher, diving swift. L is for lark, with a graceful lift. M is for mag, with a graceful lift. N is for magpie, shiny and bright. N is for nightingale, singing at night. O is for owl, hooting in dark. P is for pelican, soaring over the park. Q is for quail, will scurrying fast. R is for robin, building its nest. S is for sparrow, chirping cheer. T is for toucan, with a colorful ear. U is for a pupa, with its unique crest. V is for vulture, circling west. W is for woodpecker, tapping away.